Okay, good morning. Now today I am going to start another chapter, the chapter 13. The name of the chapter is Industry. Now we have finished our middle systems, we have finished agriculture. Now today I am going to start another chapter, new chapter, chapter number 13. Now chapter is what? Industry. Now first, what is industry? What is the concept of industry? Now, industry means it is said that it is a group of business organizations or a group of firms producing producing different kind of goods and services by utilizing different factors of productions like land, labor, capital, organization is known as what? Industry. And usually this industry, what they do? They produce different kind of goods and services for the fulfillment of the peoples. And this industry also plays important role to create important opportunity for the publics. It also supports for national economic growth and development. Plus, this industry also supports fulfill the need of the peoples. And usually, what they are different type of industry. They are producing different type of goods. And industry also are categorized on types on the volume of the investment, capital investment. So means usually what means whenever industry means they are group of firm or organizations. Or group of business firm and organizations that are producing different kind of goods and services, producing or utilizing different factor of productions, raw materials, technology, skills. They are called what? Industry. Now types of industry. Now types of industry means now here I have written some types of industry. Number one is micro enterprise. Number two, cottage industry. Number three, small scale industries. Number four, medium scale industries. Number five, large scale industries. Now first, macro industry or macro enterprise. Now it is said that those enterprises which are formed under the prism of industry, they are macro enterprise. And this type of industry, they are small in natures. And this type of industry should be only established only up to the capital investment of 20 lakhs, not more than 20 lakhs, and there should be only maximum 9 workers, not more than 9 workers. And the what means this type of industry should be managed and controlled by the industry owner itself. And in case of machines utilizing fuels and utilizing electricity, the machine of this type of industry should be such types which should not use more than 20 kilowatt electricity. Such type of industry all becomes under this what? Micro enterprise. Now cottage industry. Cottage industry means type of industry which are related to our traditions, related to our custom and customs. So this cottage industry usually they are found in our villages, especially in remote areas. So this cottage industry, they are such type of industry where people also works over there, but this type of industry gives more focus to our traditional goods and services. And they also manufacture goods by using our what? Local raw materials. Local what? Raw materials. So this type of industry or such type of industry which uses maybe very small number of workers, and this type of industry also don't require more investments. And this type of industry, if they use some machines, the machine consuming fuel or electricity, if the machine consumes electricity, they have to use such type of machines which should not consume more than 50 kilowatt electricity. If such type of machine are used in the industry, they come under this cottage industry. And usually what means this cottage industry, they manufacture like different type of handlooms, garments, different type of handicrafts, craft made of mud, craft made of metals, craft made of woods. If such type of industry are there, different type of and art and craft which are used in a home. So such type of industry becomes under this what? Cottage industry. Now small scale industry. Small scale industry means such type of industry which is that comes under micro and cottage, just slightly greater than micro and cottage, but this type of industry should not have what? Capital investment or capital asset more than how many crore? 15 crore. If the industry established less than 15 crore, Then such type of industry comes under this what? Small scale industries. Now medium scale industry means there are such type of industry where capital assets where investment is more than 15 lakh, 15 crore and less than 1 crore, 50 crore. More than 15 crore, less than 50 crores. If such type of industry are there, they come under this what? Medium scale industries. And this type of industry also gives lot of employment opportunity for the publics. And this type of industry also play very important role for the economic growth of the nations. This type of industry are very important for the nations because they also increase the exports of the nations. Plus they also play important role for the proper utilization of the resources of the nations. So they also help for the proper collection of custom duty plus collection of different tax for the governments. So it is very important for the nations for economic growth. Now large scale industries. Large scale industries means such industries which are manufactured by the capitalist man, by the capital investment, by the capital assets more than 50 crores. More than 50 crores. So this type of industry are such type of industry they say more than 1 crore, 50 crores. So this type of industry plays very important role for providing employment opportunity for the large number of people. Large number of what? Peoples. But this type of industry require huge investment, so this type of industry are found very less in numbers. In other place, this type of industries are controlled or investment done by the governments because very few people are cost large amount. So those industries which are established more than 50 crore and above, they are called what? 50 crore and above, they are called what? Large scale industries. Okay, today in this video I have explained about what industry and capital industry. Thank you all of you.